Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about Angular routing. Routing is one of the most important concepts in Angular because it allows us to build single page application and navigate between different views without reloading the page. It is moved from one page view to another without reloading whole application. Instead of refreshing the whole website, Angular just changes the part inside router outlet. Key point of Angular routing. Router module. It provides routing features in Angular. Router outlet. It is a placeholder where route component displayed. Route configuration. It defines path and their component. Navigation. It's moving from one route to another. Default route, it loads where the path is empty. Wildcard route and wildcard route, it's catch invalid or unknown URLs. So I will show you the demo after and while. Router parameters, it passes dynamic values through the route and the lazy loading. It's the most important thing. It loads module only when needed. So these are the key points of Angular routing. So let's get started and open VS Code, which I already open. So this is our application where we are working. This is our .NET application and our client inside that. So this is our client. So our application running on port 4200. Just click on it, and our Angular application is there. So I want to remove these all first of things. Just go there, index, and app, and then app.html. So I remove this all. And okay. Now next, Angular router is included by default in all Angular projects set up with the Angular CLI. So we create more component, for example, like okay, this is our route file. So just stop our application first and add some new component. So for adding a new component, we need to write some command. For example, ng g component. Inside the component, we create the directory called future, or we can write some name pages. I think it's best pages slash uh, home and dry run first. So dry run is a command which will just give you, it will not create any file, it just give you the directory information. So app pages home and home dot pack ts css file html. So I will skip the test file. You will see test, uh, keep text. So it will skip our test file. Okay, so pages home, yeah, it will good. So now I remove the dry run. Okay, and then the same thing home home. What's that? Uh, Service about. So we're creating three pages. Okay, and this is our app HTML where we writing. And let's what else then? Now inside the app folder we have routes. So we expand our routes. For example, we specify this is our route ts file, and inside there we can define our routes. So let's open it and open curly bracket, and we specify path. So this is the default component. What is it? Sorry for that. What was the default component? Home, and copy, and the next part is service, and the component name is service. And next about us, and here is about us. Okay, and comma missing, save. And next we just run our application. So our application is running, and I forget the wildcard. I put it the wildcard here path, and sorry, and then I put it here star comma component. The component should be a like not found page, but right now we don't have, so I put it just home. Okay, and yep, and go to our home page and write the service. Oh, okay. One thing we forget. Go to app component. Here we need to write router outlet, which map our component to the route. And yeah, service is good. About us is fine, and home we have this. Now next, just stop our application. Okay. Yes. And close this. Now go to Bootstrap. Okay. So we need to inject this our index file, also inject this our index file. Okay, save and go to component example of navbar. Where is the navbar? Navbar. Make it simple. Okay. Okay. Copy and go to our app HTML. So remove it and save. And also you need to inject router link. Save. Okay, router link should work. Yeah, it's coming right. Router link. What happened? Why is coming? Router link. Okay. And next, we need to write our router link there. Home. And here you need to write service. Here you need to write about us. And our path is about us. Save and run your application. So, okay, this is our router. This our router link, and our application is running. Go to browser, and here our menu: home, service, about, service, home. Great, perfect. And our application refresh here, so you need to go and remove this href right there. Just now, service, never, service about home, home service about us. Perfect. And next, what else we have? I tried to fix something. Never need to check underline and underline. Let's see what result we got. Underline service about. Now we go there and write some another reference, which is I think router link active. So router link active, and use the active class here. Control C, Control V, Control V. Okay, okay. Oh, actor imports. So we need to import. What happened? No, no. It should come to X. Router link. Okay, good. And we fix this and go to again home page. Wow, perfect. Our hover is active. So that's all about Angular routing, router outlet, navigation, and more. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.